Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create your own team in F1 Manager 2024. First, when you boot up the game, you will need to tap Create a Team. You can skip the intro. Now, you will need to create your own team name. I'll leave it as default, although I could just type in, I don't know, tutorial team. You can also set up your own origin. As you can see, there are some preset origins, or there is your own story, as in you customize everything. Let's do that. Next step. What's your starting balance? Here you can challenge yourself or make your life easier by selecting a certain balance for your team. We can improve our facilities quality and our car performance. Why not? Here in facilities you can also min-max your facilities levels. I'm sorry. Here are car development facilities, scouting department, team hub and race simulator, insta facilities and operator facilities. Now, here we can choose our own stuff. The default stuff that it gave me is quite alright, so I'll just skip them. But you can browse and customize however you would like. Now we need to change which supplier we choose to powertrain. They each have their own stats. So, as you can see, the best finish last season had been awarded to Honda RB-PT, so I will choose them. And now you can customize your team branding. I will go for neon green. It's my favorite color. You can choose whichever one you like. Like that, and black, and some black. I think those colors look good, don't you think? And finally, you can type in your name, your surname, choose your experience, and change your career difficulty and race difficulty. I will go on easy. And after confirming, that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.